Building Confidence for Success. Offer tips and strategies for boosting self-confidence and improving performance in both business and personal ventures. Welcome to ACTOFTOUCH. Today, we're diving into one of the most important keys to achieving success in life and business: building unshakable confidence. Let's break it down into actionable strategies that you can start using right now. Confidence is the secret ingredient behind success stories. It's what allows us to take risks, embrace failure, and push through challenges. Without it, even the most talented people struggle to reach their full potential. Step 1 is mastering your mindset. Confidence starts with how you talk to yourself. Replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations. For example, instead of saying, "I'll never be good at this," tell yourself, "I'm learning and improving every day." Simple shifts like these can rewire your brain to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. Confidence grows when you know you're prepared. Focus on building competence by learning, practicing, and seeking feedback. Whether it's a skill for your career or a personal passion, the more you invest in your abilities, the more confident you'll feel about tackling new challenges. Here's a game-changing tip. See failure as a teacher, not a setback. Every successful person has failed, often more than once, but what separates them is their ability to learn and try again. Each mistake you make is a step closer to mastery. Confidence is contagious. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Seek mentors, supportive friends, or communities that align with your goals. Their energy will reinforce your belief in yourself. Remember that confidence is built one small action at a time. Set achievable goals, no matter how tiny, and celebrate your progress. These little wins stack up to big results over time. Confidence. It's that spark within you, the force that makes you stand tall, speak up, and step forward, even when the odds seem stacked against you. But here's the truth. Confidence isn't something you're born with. It's something you build, brick by brick, day by day, action by action. Think about this. Every great leader, every trailblazer, every person you admire once stood where you are now. They weren't immune to fear or doubt. They faced the same voices whispering, "You can't do this," but they didn't stop. They took action anyway, learning and growing with every step. Confidence isn't about never falling. It's about knowing you can rise again. Each setback, each failure, it's not the end. It's a lesson, a step forward, a chance to become stronger. You're not failing. You're learning. You're not breaking. You're building. Start today. Take that first step. Prepare yourself. Learn your craft. Practice until you're unstoppable. And when doubt creeps in, and it will, look it in the eye and say, "Watch me." Surround yourself with people who lift you higher, who see your potential even when you don't. Stand tall, smile, and remind yourself, you are capable, you are worthy, and you are ready. Every small action you take today brings you closer to the future you dream of. You have everything you need within you right now to succeed. Confidence is not about being fearless. It's about doing it despite the fear. So take that step, believe in yourself, and remember, success is not reserved for the chosen few. It's waiting for those who dare to rise and claim it. And today is your day. Thanks for watching ACTOFTOUCH. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips to transform your life. Drop a comment below and let us know, what's your go-to confidence booster? See you in the next video.